This is a final video to fix high battery drain on Linux compared to macOS and Windows, and if your laptop battery drops fast on Linux, this video is for you. Are you seeing your battery melt away on Linux while the same laptop lasts longer on macOS or Windows? This problem happens because Linux does not always manage power the same way. Drivers may not optimize your hardware, background services may run nonstop, and the system may keep your CPU and graphics awake when they should rest. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long commands, risky tweaks, and confusing guides that feel hard and scary to follow. On Rexist, I keep things simple, and today I will share a secret easy trick that fixes battery drain without breaking your system or wasting hours. This trick works by letting Linux talk better to your hardware, and by stopping silent power leaks that most users never notice. You do not need deep Linux knowledge, and you do not need to switch back to Windows or macOS. You just apply one smart change, and your laptop starts to cool down, your fan slows, and your battery lasts much longer. I tested this fix on daily use, browsing, videos, and work tasks, and the difference feels real within minutes. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that shows exactly what to do, comment below and tell Rexist you want a full guide. Your comment helps the channel, and it tells me what video to make next.